everyone, welcome to online lecture of Standard 10 Political Science Chapter 3 Political Parties. In the last chapter, we studied the working of constitution and election procedure. Political parties are a link that connects common people, democracy, representation and elections. Whatever we read or hear about politics is related to political parties. Political parties exist in all democratic systems. In fact, political parties compete with each other only in a democracy. In this chapter, we will study the political party system in India. When people form organizations with the objective of achieving political power and participate in the electoral process, such organizations are called political parties. Political parties thus can be described as a group of people who aim to contest elections, win elections, and get power and establish the government of their party. Important characteristics of political parties. To be in power. Achieving power through elections is the main objective of political parties. Thus, different political parties compete with each other to get power. To pursue an ideology. Every political party has some policies and worldviews. Parties have a particular stand about social issues. This together make party ideology. The people who consider any specific party ideology has acceptable support that political party. Social support received by a political party is called the mass base of political party. To have a party agenda. Political parties prepare their party's agenda on the basis of party ideology. They implement the agenda after they get political power. To establish a government, political parties establish the government and govern the nation. The political party which gets majority in elections form the government. The parties which do not get majority act as opposition parties. To act as a link between the government and the people. Political parties work as a link between the government and the people. Political parties communicate the demands and complaints of the people to the government. Changing nature of political party system in India. The Congress was a strong political party in the post-independence period. Congress had a majority at center and in most of the states. Indian politics was controlled by the Congress party. This era was described as era of single dominant party system. The non-Congress parties came together and challenged single dominant party system in 1977. After the 1989 Lok Sabha elections, the system of one party emerging as dominant party came to an end. Since then, different parties began to come together to form coalition governments. Both the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress Party made an experiment of establishing coalition governments. The belief that coalition government brings instability was proved wrong by the political party system in our country. In fact, the coalition government system as stabilized in India. If power remains with one political party for a long period and if no other political parties are influential, the party system is called as one party system. In politics, when two political parties are influential and if political parties enjoy power alternatively. The party system is called two-party system. When many political parties compete for political power and more or less they are equally influential, the party system is called multi-party system. Now we are going to study about national parties of India. First, Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established in 1885. At the time of its establishment, Congress was an all-comprehensive movement working for national independence. Groups with different ideologies had come together in this nationalist movement. After independence, the Congress emerged as the most dominant political party. The party from the beginning follows the policy of secularism, all-round development, equal rights and welfare for minorities and disadvantaged sections of the society. Accordingly, Congress has organized various programs to achieve those objectives. The party believes in democratic socialism, social equality, and international peace. Second is Communist Party of India. This party, based on the communist ideology, was established in 1925. It is an old party in India. This party works for the welfare of laborers and workers. The party opposes capitalism. The party leadership developed differences in 1962 over the issue of whether Communist Party of India should accept the leadership of Communist China or the Soviet Union. This led to the split in Communist Party of India and a separate party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, was formed. Third is Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party is an important party at the national level. Bharatiya Janasangh was established in 1951. This party was merged with Janata Party that was established in 1977. The Janata Party could not survive. There was a split in the party and Bharatiya Janasangh, the component party of Janata Party, established a new party in 1980, Bharatiya Janata Party. The party stands for the protection of Indian culture and traditions. The party gives importance to economic reforms. Fourth is Communist Party of India, that is Marxist. This party proclaims socialism, secularism, and democracy. The party opposes imperialism. Party's policy is to protect the interests of workers, farmers, and landless laborers. Fifth is Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party professes the socialist ideology. In 1984, the party was established with the objective of protecting the interest of the majority, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, religious minorities, and other backward classes together constitute a majority. The party aims to give power in the hands of the majority. Sixth is Nationalist Congress Party. In 1999, there was a split in the Congress Party and Nationalist Congress Party was established. The party believes in the values of democracy, equality, and secularism. The party was in power in Maharashtra from 1999 to 2014 in coalition with the Congress Party. Nationalist Congress Party for a long period was also a part of coalition government led by Congress at center from 2004 to 2014. Seventh one is Trinamool Congress. All India Trinamool Congress Party was established in 1998. Election Commission gave the party recognition as national party in 2016. The party supports democracy, secularism and protection of interests of weaker sections of the society. Now here is the number of seats secured by national parties in Lok Sabha elections of 2009 and 2014. National parties and the number of seats secured by them 2009 and 2014. Indian National Congress 206 and 44. Communist Party of India 4 and 1. Bharatiya Janata Party 116 and 282. Communist Party of India 16 and 9. Bahujan Samaj Party 21 and nil. Nationalist Congress Party 9 and 6.